In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Inset face tool in Blender for clean modeling. We'll start simple and build good habits as we go. First, add a starting object. With your scene open, press Shift+A to bring up the Add menu, go to Mesh and choose Cube. This gives us a clean shape to practice on. Next, select the cube and press Tab to enter edit mode. You'll know you're there when the mesh shows its editable elements. We want to work with faces, so switch to Face Select by pressing the number 3 on your keyboard. This is the 3 on the number row, not the numpad. Now, left-click any face on the cube to select the one you want to modify. To create an inset, press I on your keyboard. As you move your mouse, you'll see the selected face shrink inward evenly, leaving a border around it. This is the key benefit of the Inset tool. It creates a uniform margin that keeps your geometry clean and predictable. When you're happy with the size, left-click to confirm the inset. If you need a precise amount, you can set it numerically. After pressing I, type a value like 0.1 or 0.2, depending on how wide you want that border. Press Enter to confirm. Using exact values is great for consistency, especially when you're repeating details across a model. You can also inset multiple faces at the same time. Select several faces, then press I. By default, each face will inset individually, keeping its own border. If you want them to behave as one group and form a continuous border around the selection, enable the boundary option in the tool options. This gives you control over whether the insets stay separate or unify along shared edges. A practical modeling tip: use inset before extrusion for clean results. Create that even border with I first, then press E to extrude the inner face or the new ring of faces. This approach helps you form controlled shapes like panels, frames, windows, or beveled details without stretching or messy topology. The inset defines the thickness and the extrusion adds depth. That's the workflow. Add the cube, enter edit mode, switch to face select, choose your face, press I to inset and confirm, optionally set an exact value, and use multi-face insets with boundary when needed. Then, combine inset with extrude for polished, professional-looking models. Keep practicing on simple shapes, and you'll see how quickly your modeling becomes cleaner and more efficient.